Hello, everyone. I hope you're all safe and well. In response to Kev's staff survey on remote teaching and learning, I thought it might be useful for some of you to make a screen capture video on how to make a screen capture video. And I'm already aware that a number of you are using a variety of other platforms and software to create screen capture videos, but I thought this one is particularly useful. It's an extension of Google Chrome and so does not have to be downloaded and locally installed. But it does mean that you will have to use Google Chrome as your browser, at least for this process. So the first thing to do is open a Google tab, as I've done here, and search up Screencastify. When you've done that, all you need to do is sign up using your school email. And when that task is complete, you should see this icon on your address bar. Mine does look slightly different because I'm currently making a recording. But if you click on that, you'll get a dialog box that comes up. Your one will look different to this. So what I've done is make a couple of screenshots to show you what you would get. With this version, you will see that there's a 5-minute limit on videos. So some topics may have to be broken down into sections. If you click on record, it will bring up the dialog box below. And normally what you would do is select your entire screen and this share button will light up. Once you click on that share button, your recording will commence. You get a 3, 2, 1 countdown. And when you've finished, you can either click stop sharing here or bring up the icon above and the dialog box from it, stop your recording from there. I'll get rid of those. Now, there are some other useful things on here, and one of them is classroom resources. It's available from the drop-down list that's on the original dialog box. From this tab here, there are a number of classroom resources which would be pretty useful for people who consider themselves a bit nervous on this or a bit inexperienced. There's an ebook you can download. There are lots of ideas for you to use within the classroom. So try all of that if you get the chance. When you stop recording, your last recording will immediately begin to play. So I'll go to where my recordings are. You can pick this up from the original dialog box here. Here's a brief one I made earlier. And you will see it play. You have to unmute it to be able to listen, because obviously what you will want to do is watch and listen to your own video. If necessary, you can trim. I know some people are sometimes not happy with entries or exits, but you can trim your video at either end and save the trim, and it will cut down so you've got the desired video length and exactly what you want to show. When you are happy, you can click on the copy shareable link button up here, and that will just save the web address. And all you need to do then is to paste it into an email or message on Teams, etc. Now that should be good enough to get you started on here. Feel free to try your own, compose your own screen capture videos. Don't worry about making mistakes. We're not word perfect when we're in class, as you can tell from this video. So if anyone wants any further advice, you can message me on Teams or email me, and I'll help any more if I can. Thanks very much.